everybody. Cheryl Syddema o Gwasanaeth Ieuenctid Sir Ddinbych. Hello, it's Cheryl here from Denbighshire Youth Service. Gawn ni gweld pwy sydd yma heno? Pawb deud hello, everybody say hello, hello. So we're going to start tonight's session as we usually would with house rules. So we're going to operate this platform just as we would it within a usual youth centre across the county. So yeah, hi Morgan, hi Sarah. So all it is that just to respect each other, respect the platform, respect each other's opinions, different things like that. No bad language, no silliness, and so forth. Most of all, respect each other. And that's it really. Please be mindful that if you are discussing anything, that we're mindful of people and their names and where they've come from and all of that kind of stuff. Most of all, we're gonna have fun. Woo! So if there's anything that you wish to discuss within a private space, please do let us know. You can contact us on our DCC Youth Service website, on our Facebook, Twitter, and all of those other wonderful things out there. And you can find our mobile numbers and our email addresses, and our wonderful pictures all look like that. So yes, you'll find us all there, all online. So please do get in touch. We've got a wonderful team of youth workers out there ready and waiting for all of you wonderful guys. So mae'r sesiwn hwn yn ddwyieithog. Mae'n croeso i chi gyrraedd negeseuon yn Gymraeg neu'n Saesneg, a na gyfieithu nhw a gyrru nhw allan. So this session is fully bilingual. If you want to send your messages in English or Welsh, I will translate them and send them back out there so that you can all get involved and all know what's going on, basically. So Denbighshire Youth Service is here through these times. However, the news today, I believe that these times are coming to an end shortly. So if you are missing your youth worker, you're missing their wonderful faces, or just want to pop in and say hello and different things like that, just need to offload, absolutely fine, no matter how big or small. We are always here because we love young people. Otherwise, we wouldn't be in our job. So yes, so welcome to tonight's session. Let me just sort out of my ICT here. So yes, so let's see who's here. Hello, Morgan. Hello, Sarah, Mikey, Gaz, and Lewis. Hello, guys. It's so lovely to see you. So, Wellbeing Wednesday. So today we are going to be discussing positive thinking. However, so I made this session last week, I thought, based on some of the stuff that I'd been chatting to young people about. Hi, Kelly. And thought that'd be really good to have a chat about positive thinking. We're all getting a bit fed up, and the lockdown was extended for another 3 weeks and all that kind of stuff. So I thought, what a great session to deliver about positive thinking. However, today, dun, 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 disaster for most young people. That awful announcement, that dreaded announcement that all young people have been waiting for. Maybe not all young people. I might be very wrong in saying that. Some people are really looking forward to going back to school. So yes, so that dreaded announcement, or that wonderful news announcement today, was that schools in Wales are going to be opening up on the 29th of June. However, what does that mean for you guys? At the moment, we don't know what it's going to look like or what it's going to feel like. But when we do know, please be reassured. Hi, Harrison. Oh, Claire. Please be reassured that we will let you know, okay? So as it stands at the moment, this is just advisory that schools do open on the 29th of June. They're going to be open for probably about 4 weeks and see how things go then. Oh, Kelly's not going to give Claire detention for being late. Oh, Lewis, what's been going on? Shaved my hair off, thinking we would not be going back to school, and we are. Lewis, don't worry about it. And if they give you detention, don't stress about it. You're only going to be in school for 4 weeks. Actually, so this is what I was going to tell you. So we don't know how it's going to look like. There's only a third of the school allowed in altogether. So, for example, if there is 1,000 young people within a school, this means that on average, there's probably going to be about 330 young people within the school all at once. So that is a massive difference from 1,000 young people. So that's what they're saying at the moment. Things are going to look very different in school. They're probably going to be putting in the 2 meters thing. However, this is still 4 weeks away. Things could still change then. If you are concerned, if you are worried about any of these things, about going back to school, the anxieties, the worries, the stresses, and the strains, please, I cannot emphasize this enough. Please, please, please get in contact with your youth workers. We are here to help you. We're all a bit shocked really, because we all thought that we was going to be going back to school in September. That's what we all thought. That's what the plans were for. So yes, we're a bit like, wow, okay, so now we've got to prepare for 4 weeks time. We don't, schools do. However, because we're so wonderful, we are going to support schools to the best of we can to ensure that all of you beautiful people are going to get back to school safely without any stresses, and all of this kind of stuff. Claire, Kelly is absolutely missing all of you guys. Kelly, the end is coming to a near, hopefully, fingers crossed, and you'll be able to see all them wonderful guys, Kelly. I'm more than sure. So, yes, that is the news of today with the schools. So, on to Dydd now. Dydd with his wonderful Wednesday news. I've got him live this week, so I'm going to give Dydd a buzz. Hopefully he's not going to be repeating what I've just said, otherwise you guys are going to be like, oh, Cheryl, what on earth's going on? You've already told us that, so let's give Dydd a buzz and see what he has got coming for us today. Hopefully you guys will be able to hear him. Hello, Dydd, ti'n iawn?
Iawn, diolch.
Da iawn, great, pawb. Hello, everybody. Here's Dydd, okay? So, Dydd, what have you got for us on this wonderful Wednesday?
Right, so I've just got to check some general news because I'm not fed up, but I know we've been talking about this awful disease for a long time. So I've just got some general news because life continues as we speak. So, world record has just been announced for a Labrador from America who put 5 tennis balls in its mouth at once, new Guinness World Record. So that was pretty funny. They found a cave in Canada which is as tall as the Empire State Building.
Oh my God!
Ecosystem, yeah. So they think they're going to find loads of new animals and species. This week as well, the first time a German company has actually made like a tool. So it goes on the sea. So it uses the power of the waves, uses the power of the sun, and uses the power of the wind. Is like a hybrid, so that can make its own renewable energy at a much higher level. We've also, this is amazing, this is one of my favourite ones. They have designed, a company from Hong Kong has designed a bionic eye. And they think in 5 years' time, this bionic eye will be available to millions of people, and it will actually be able to cure certain levels of people who are blind.
Wow, that's amazing.
I know, it's really crazy. So they've never been able to like engineer the retina of the eye. Obviously, it's really hard, but they've actually managed to do it. So it's sort of all this information's gone under the radar because everything's been going on in the news recently with Black Lives Matter and coronavirus.
Yeah, definitely.
But also, I have some wonderful news myself. I'm very, very happy about this, Cheryl.
Oh, come on, Dydd, let's hear it.
So, for the people who've been following my little Dydd vids, I actually made a self-watering plant.
Okay.
I think we'll just put it up on our Facebook.
This sounds interesting.
So I did. I made the self-watering plant, and it didn't nothing happen. Nothing grew. So I was a bit upset because it took a lot of effort. But then, out of the blue, I woke up, went downstairs. I've actually got it here.
Okay, let's see, Dydd. Way! Fantastic! So, what are you growing in there, Tids?
So I started originally trying to grow like different flowers, but because of the heat that came through the window, unfortunately, I don't think the bulb has survived. But I did put some grass seeds in as well, some ryegrass just in case. And I've literally had it on the windowsill here inside, so it doesn't take too much room, and it's grown.
Fantastic. So, Tids, just briefly, how have you done that then? So it looks like a plastic bottle.
Yeah, so all it is it's a plastic bottle. I've cut it 3/4 of the way up, put it upside down in itself.
Yeah.
And then I put a pipe through it so the bottle cap doesn't really reach the bottom.
Yeah.
And then I filled it up with filled the upside down part up with compost. And I've threaded some string from the compost part right down to the bottom, fill the bottom with water. So the string absorbs the water and feeds the plant. So I don't have to water it every day.
Fantastic. That's brilliant. Tids?
Yeah, if you want to have a go on our Facebook and have a look.
Okay, guys, so Tids' video there if you want to have a look and how to grow your own flowers or vegetables, if you want to do your own vegetables, hopefully. Tids' videos are on there. So get on there, guys, and have a look at Tids. Thank you for your wonderful Wednesday news. As always, absolutely wonderful. And as Tid said, we are all getting a bit fed up with the coronavirus and all that business going on. So it is nice to hear some other wonderful news and how amazing with the eyesight. That's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. So, yeah, brilliant. The joys of technology. Okay. Diolch yn fawr, Tids.
Arbennig, Cheryl, arbennig.
Diolch yn fawr, hwyl, Tids. Thank you very much. Oh, guys, wonderful. So, what's been going on here? So, hello, we've got a new person tonight. Hello, Joe. Joe and his sister's been dyeing their hairs. Very, very nice. Welcome aboard. Welcome to the Madhouse. And so Morgan's going to college. Yeah, you know, we are in uncertain times. However, Morgan, please be reassured that if you need anything, there are youth workers there. So please get in touch. Yeah, we'll help you the best if we can, really, to be quite honest with you. Guys, I'm hoping that you can see all right there, because on my side, my screen's frozen a little bit. I don't know if it has on your side. If you can still hear me, give me a thumbs up if you can still hear me, guys. Yeah? Oh, there we go. I don't know what happened then. We froze and now we've come back. Fantastic. So, Morgan, you know what? I'll find out that for you, Morgan, and I'll get back to you. Is that okay? Does that sound good? Oh, you can all see me. That's fantastic. Very good. Okay, brilliant. So that's Tids with his wonderful Wednesday news. So positive thinking, guys. So instead of thinking negatively about going back to school and the stresses and, I haven't been doing my own work and all that kind of stuff, we're going to start thinking positive and think, I've got 4 weeks. Okay, so I've got 4 weeks to get myself together, to sort my homework out, to sort out my thoughts and my feelings. Morgan, yes, absolutely fab. We'll sort that out for you and I'll get in touch with you as soon as I can come up with some answers. Okay, so I've lost my trail of thought now, guys. So, yeah, you've got 4 weeks to sort yourself out and different things like that. Have a think what's right for you, what's wrong for you, and all that kind of stuff. And then you've also got 4 weeks in school. So it may be just 1 day a week that you're going in school, which means actually you're only in school for 4 days, and not 4 weeks. You might be in for 2 mornings, 2 afternoons. Who knows? And every school is going to look differently because the layout of the schools are all different. So please, let's think, rather than thinking negatively, we're going to try and turn them negative thoughts into a positive one. Morgan, you're very welcome for our support. That's what we're here for, and anytime, absolutely anytime. Well done, guys, for supporting Morgan in the comment box there. Well done. So, little bit of fun now. So if you used to think positively about yourself, so I want you to think that if you was going to be a Disney character, I know a bit random, but I like it. It's very fun, very loving, very family, and all that kind of stuff. If you was going to be a Disney character, who would you be and why? And I want you to think about your Disney character based on positive thoughts, so positive thinking, okay? So please let me know in the comment box who you would be and why. I'd love to hear. So I think that if I was going to be a Disney character, that I would be Cinderella, or I'd like to think that I'm Cinderella. Um, but mind you, would I be the wicked stepmother? Sometimes I can be a bit wicked. Yeah, possibly. But Cinderella, oh, I love to think that I've got a nice, lovely, clean house, not a care in the world, just dozing around the place, just floating along. Everything's just magical. She's very caring and loving towards all of the animals. So, in a positive light, I'd like to think that I was Cinderella because I'm very caring, very loving. I love to think that I'm just floating along like Cinderella does. So let's see what you've got out there, guys. Okay, so Kelly's going to be Belle. She thinks that she's beautiful and got lovely dark hair. Absolutely. Kelly, but you've got beautiful, long, thick dark hair. So yeah, that's a really good one. Tinkerbell would love to spread some magic. Oh, yes, Claire, definitely. Claire, you spread the magic just by being you. You are so beautiful. Oh, Kelly agrees. She says, Claire, you are Tinkerbell. Absolutely. A Minnie Mouse, because she's the best. Oh, so does that mean that you want to be the best? So Sarah would be Brave because she's got the hair. Oh, yes, Sarah. I forgot about Brave. That's not really one that I think of. So, Morgan, why would you be Donald Duck, Morgan? I'm quite intrigued. I'd love the experience of being a duck. Yeah, very good idea. Yeah, I like that. Tids is going to be Pumba. So, why would you be Pumba, Tids? Let us know. I'd love to know. Yeah, absolutely. How amazing would it to be a duck, just like floating around, not caring in the world, splashing around, just having a whale of a time, really, not even caring if it's raining or ice or anything like that, just toddling along in the water, swimming. Oh, I love it. Oh, Tid said that he'd love to be Pumba because he loves his food. Yeah, definitely, Tid. Maybe I should be Pumba because I love my food too. Oh dear, guys, I'm loving these ideas. Mikey, Aladdin, a diamond in the rough. Oh, brilliant. Absolutely. I agree, Mikey. You definitely are a diamond. You're just like a treasure, just pop out everywhere and helping everyone, bless. So yeah, so they are some really good ideas, some really positive things that you like that I love to hear all about you and why that you'd like to be them Disney characters. If you can think of any more whilst we're chatting through and going along, please feel free to put them in the comment box. That'd be absolutely fab. So, positive thinking now. Rather than thinking, what have we failed in life? I want you to think, what are some of your achievements? If you have got some really amazing, good achievements, no matter how big or small, I'd love to hear about them in the comment box. So please comment away. I'd love to hear them. So I don't know if you guys can see here. Don't say I wish, say I will. And I absolutely agree with that. Don't be saying that I wish. I wish that I'd done this. I wish that I did that. Just go for it. Give it a shot. All you're going to do is spending some of your life just regretting, like, why didn't I do that? Why didn't I do this? Just go for it. Just get, so as long as you're safe and other people around you are safe and so forth, just go for it. You've got nothing to lose. What are people going to say? No, that doesn't matter, does it? At least you've tried your best. So what are some of your biggest achievements? So mine, I'll be honest with you, I was rubbish in school, absolutely rubbish, but never ever. My parents always wanted me to go to university. I thought, no, not a cat's chance in hell. Nobody has ever in my family gone to university. And the fact that I went to university and got a first, yeah, so that was one of my biggest achievements in my life. Absolutely amazing. I still can't believe it now. Like, I went to uni. What are you thinking? You must be mad. So yeah, what have we got, guys? Let's hear. I'd love to hear them. Morgan, this is going to be you one day going to uni. I can see it. I could see you like controlling the country or something like Boris Johnson, or very good MP, or very good community worker. Let's see what we've got here. Okay, creating the suite of life of youth club. Oh, creating the suite of life of youth club with the best cast and best people ever. Oh my gosh, yeah, that would be amazing. Absolutely fantastic. And you did absolutely smashed it. That's fantastic. That. Brilliant, Morgan. And you know what? That's what they're all about. All of these experiences, all of these achievements, and they teach us so much in our lives, even when they're really hard times. Afterwards, you realise how much that you have achieved, and it's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Oh, what have we got here from Joe? Winning the cutest dog show with Bo. So is Bo your little dog? Oh, bless. That's amazing. Yes, that's a massive achievement. Well done to Joe winning in the dog competition. I was in a film by a future media star called The Sweet Life. Oh, fantastic, Tits. Well, I didn't know about that. You learn something new every single day. Claire saying you so deserve it, Shares, you work so hard for it. Do you know what? Sometimes in life, when things are really hard, it either crumbles you or pushes you to work even harder. And I think that's probably what happened. Anyway, enough about me. It's not about me. This is all about you, all of you guys. So what else have we got out there? What else? What other amazing, fantastic achievements have we got in the building today? Let's hear them. I love to hear all of these positive things. Okay, so, and then what we're going to think about next is what are some of the skills and talents that I've got. Rather than thinking what you can't do, I want you to think what I can do. Oh, she can do this, but I can't do it. So what can you do that they can't do? Let me know. Let me know in the comment box. What kind of things can you do? That was a really good question. I had to think hard about that because I was a bit unsure what some of the skills and talents that I have. And actually, I thought, do you know what? My skills and talents are being a youth worker. Absolutely love it. And you know what? Give myself a pat on the back. I'm not that bad, I don't think. If I do say so myself, I'm not a bad egg. Anyway, so they are some of the skills and talents that I've got. So what kind of skills and talents do you have? Please let us know. It could be something that you do outside, cycling, gymnastics, hobbies that you've got maybe, which would be brilliant. I would love to hear them all. Let me know, guys. Anybody willing to share, or are you all gone a bit like, oh, that's a bit too much of a hard question that to ask that? What's going on here, Cheryl? Obviously, editing. Yes, obviously, Morgan, you are absolutely amazing at editing. You are fantastic. I could have done with you the other day when I was trying to edit a video. I'm just rubbish at it. Thank goodness I've got a brilliant work team who managed to dig me out the hole and help me. So yes, you are fantastic, Morgan. You did a fantastic job in editing that video for Wills. It was absolutely amazing. You should be so proud of yourself. But is other talents running? Okay. So is this short distance, long distance? What kind of running do you do, Morgan? I would love to know. I'll be honest, exercise is just not a very good skill. Well, maybe not a skill, but not very talented in that department. But never mind, I'm good at other things, so not the end of the day. Claire, I'm good at washing up and drinking coffee. Not sure you know that, guys. No, Claire, we would never know that. Honestly, when Claire's in the building, there's always pots everywhere. Jokes, Claire, jokes. Don't be taking it serious. Claire, she's just like the miracle worker. She's absolute dream. I love her to bits. Lots of love to you, Claire, and I will make you a coffee when we are back in the offices. I think that you'll probably deserve about 10 because you're just so good. Oh, Morgan's doing long distance running. He's been going long distance runs. I'm proud of myself. Yeah, absolutely. Morgan, you should be proud of yourself. Absolutely proud of yourself. You've absolutely amazing. very good. So thanks for sharing that, guys, Claire, with your pot washing. I'm definitely making you a coffee when we get back. Oh, yeah, Claire, actually, you are good at that. So skills and talents. Claire, I'd say that's a very good thing. However, I'm not too sure about being talented. I'm sure that I recall falling off the bike maybe once and being a bit injured. Never mind, Claire. We all have accidents. I've fallen off my bike a million times while we've been off this lockdown. But yes, do you know what? To be fair, Claire, you are brilliant at cycling a bike. Claire does it every single. Claire, you should do this show. You know, it should be called the Caring Claire Show. That'd be amazing. I'd love that. So anyway, going off track here, guys. Going off track. I'm getting on my high horse about how wonderful Claire is. So back to you guys, and Morgan with his editing and his running. Joe, you are brilliant at cooking. Joe's amazing at cooking. There, some of the skills and talents that she's got, absolutely fantastic, absolutely brilliant. So guys, what are some of my attributes that you like in others? What are some attributes that you like in others that I also have in common with you? Okay, so what are some things that you like in other people that you also like in yourself? I like the fact that people go out of their way to help other people. That's what I like, and I'd like to think that I do that as well. And to be honest, some people are much better at it than I am. I'll be quite honest, but that is one thing that I do like. I like that people are very honest. Some people don't, because like I've said before, people do get upset and offended by it. However, that is one thing that I do like in other people, that I do find it in myself. So, yeah, what things do you see in other people that you think, actually, that's me? I really like that in myself. That's a really good thing to have. Organisation skills. Have we got Jess online tonight? Is Jess here, guys? Give me a shout, Jess. Jess, this is what I love about Jess. Jess is so organised, and that's what I love about Jess. She's very, very focused, very organised. Can go to Jess about anything like that. Claire is just absolute darling. Joe, amazing at cooking. Kelly's very, very good at organising with her meetings and not letting things get out of control, keeping on topic. Here's Jess, my little darling. So these are some of the attributes that I like in you, Jess. Just saying how very organised that you are, that I absolutely love in you, that I feel that I also have. So, guys, what else have we got? Oh, Claire's blushing here, guys. Oh, so what's Sarah got? She's making cakes, but I have to stop. No, don't, Sarah. Keep making them. In fact, when we get back to the office, make as many as you like because, yeah, crack on with it. We all love a good cake. Whether they're good for us or bad for us, we do love a good cake. So what's Joe saying? Woo woo, woo woo, woo woo. Go on, Joe, with your cooking skills. We absolutely love Joe's cooking. Absolutely amazing. You're the bee's knees, Joe. She's saying thank you, guys. She's going to make a bit of cake when we get back. Absolutely. Joe, don't make one, make two or even 10. I'd happily eat one cake all to myself. Big one as well. Big one, mind, not a little one. Big. And Morgan's saying, Claire, you are so right. And that's one of the reasons I go running, because it gives me time to think about a lot of things. Absolutely. Claire was saying before, guys, that running is good for your mental health. Absolutely it is. And I don't know about you, but I've increased my activity regime quite a lot during this lockdown, quite dramatically. I'm quite surprised, actually. But coming back after a stressful day, usually I come home. You guys might be the same when you go to school. Come home and think, I can't be bothered. I've had a long day in school. I can't be bothered with that. You sit home feeling sorry for yourself. Well, do you know what? Yesterday I had a bit of a long day, a bit fed up, oh God, one meeting after another. You know how it is, guys, you know how it is. A bit like you with your lessons. And you think, oh God, can't be bothered. Anyway, I thought, get a grip, Cheryl. Come on. get yourself together, get your shoes on, get on your bike, go on, get out you go. And I went out 5 miles. I nearly fell off my seat. I was that shocked. 5 miles I cycled. But you know what? I felt absolutely amazing. I felt like Tinkerbell, spreading all my magic, like Claire said before, everywhere. Just loved it. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, it is fantastic, Morgan. And went on a rampage then, guys, about your mental health and running. So yeah, keep that on board. It's absolutely brilliant. Yeah, absolutely fab. What else have we got here, Jess? Oh, she is there. She's just a bit busy, guys. Don't worry, Joe. We can open a pop-up cake stall. Yes. Do you know, guys? I'll tell you a story now about cakes. Joe did a fantastic project once within a Prestatyn Youth Centre, and this is one of her talents with her cakes. Now, while we're talking about positive talents and skills, and Joe, God love her, organised, and the young people, we all brought cakes in and made cakes in different bits, and we made cakes within the youth centre. And we went all around the local community where the youth club is in Prestatyn, gave the neighbours cakes. It was absolutely brilliant. The neighbours was chuffed to death, absolutely loved it. The kids was absolutely buzzing, running around everywhere. All the young people was in their element. Absolutely fab. And you did that, Joe. Absolutely fab. So yeah, open a cake stall. We'll sort that out when we get back, guys. If you got any other ideas for when these youth clubs open, it's not going to be long now. School's in 4 weeks, and then the youth clubs, brilliant. So let us know. We'll try and organise it for when we're all back. So if you want some cakes, guys, head down to Prestatyn Youth Centre for our wonderful Jo. She's absolutely amazing, bless. Youth workers, Claire's saying, we've got very good listening skills and would hope that we can make loyal relationships. Absolutely, absolutely. And that's all part of being a youth worker, is making very positive, loyal relationships. Endorphins from exercise, yeah, they help you to make feel better. Absolutely, they do, Claire. Absolutely. All them endorphins running around your body, and yeah, get these. And then I tell you what, these endorphins, imagine that they're like little emojis all in your body, all in your brain. You got some miserable ones, you know, like all sourpuss like this. That's a great face, that, isn't it? You'll have nightmares tonight now, guys. Running around your body, all a bit miserable, but grumpy. And then start doing a bit of exercise. Whoa, and all of these endorphins, they're turning into big, massive, smiley faces. You know, like the Cheshire Cat, very pleased with themselves, bobbing around. So, yeah, absolutely brilliant. And they're the, you know, emojis that we want to be seeing and feeling in our body, that makes us feel on top of the world, like we can achieve anything. So exercise, guys, crack on with the exercise. Absolutely brilliant. Oh, Claire's saying, what is she saying now? Oh, Joe's had a really good night. The people had a great time. They absolutely did. Absolutely brilliant. So Claire, she thinks that we should do a monthly community cake bake. It was so successful and proper feel good factor. Yeah, absolutely amazing. Right, guys, I didn't realise what time it was. I'm rabbiting on here. I must have missed you so much. I feel like I haven't seen you for ages. I only seen you last week, but never mind. I feel a bit lost without seeing you. God help me when I get back in the schools. God help the young people, more like. Anyway, so diolch yn fawr am cymryd rhan. Thank you very much, Bob. Thank you very much. Diolch am cymryd rhan. Wills will be back tomorrow. If you need anything at all in the meantime, if you want to contact us, Morgan, we will be in touch with you to support you with the college business and about school, and let you know about that. If there's anybody else that's online and would like some support, not necessarily with school or about what we've discussed tonight, about anything, please do get in touch with us. It all is all private and confidential. Unless, you know, there's obviously risk or harm to yourselves or to others. So yeah, diolch yn fawr. And na gwelch chi wythnos nesaf. I'll see you next week. Diolch yn fawr, guys. Thank you very much. Good night, God bless. Have a wonderful evening. Not that you can do much, it's pouring down. Good night, God bless, guys. Bye.